Yo, it's hard days and it's hard months. Sometimes I don't know what to say, it's me all at once. My pride is getting in the way and I'm on the run. Scared that things are gonna change, what will I become? No, I can't take it sometimes. That's why I dive into rhymes, that's why we dive into lies. We digging deeper inside, we try to keep up with life. We hide our pain from the light, do what we can to survive. But no, I won't let it take a hold of me. Find my passion, make it happen, I'm gonna take control of me. Not reacting, taking action, I can feel it pulling me. A hole so deep, my soul will need a passion that comes over me.
The four-wheel independent suspension system uses adjustable upper arms for fine-tuning the car to various tracks. You can replace the kit-supplied shocks with Tamiya's metal high-capacity units and fine-tune them with the optional Tamiya damper oil set. Load up the car with separately available precision ball bearings. Install Tamiya's CPR P100F combined receiver and electronic speed control for additional weight savings. Replace the stock 540 motor with the awesome power of the Dynatech motor for all-out competition. Tamiya's 7.2-volt NiCad Racing Pack or EX battery is mounted low and lengthwise for optimum weight distribution. Each gearbox has its own access panel for quick changes and maintenance. Many of Tamiya's hop-up options use space-age materials such as titanium and carbon graphite composites to save weight and increase strength and are available in this range of options.